Hello and welcome. In this video, we bring to you these shipping container lodges lined with exterior siding. Welcome back. Apartments La Juanita Lodge is a complex made out of shipping containers lined with exterior siding to hide the shipping container boxes beneath in order to preserve nature. This beautiful complex has got 6 apartments designed as studio apartments and 2-bedroom apartments. Floor-to-ceiling sliding glass doors, which makes the most of the stunning views, opens into a cozy snow-white interior space. Each apartment is beautifully decked out with stylish and modern interiors. Each bedroom is bright and is fitted with comfortable beds and a large window that offers amazing views to wake up to every morning. The master bedroom is nicely furnished with a big queen-sized bed and wardrobe storage. The second bedroom is big enough to comfortably fit 2 single beds. Each bedroom is well lit and is fitted with big glass windows that fill the space with adequate daylighting. The studio apartments accommodate a queen-sized bed, which is big enough to sleep 2. Next to the bed is a large flat-screen TV, ideal for your entertainment. The bedroom is nicely illuminated by natural light through the big glass windows that also offers breathtaking views to wake up to every morning. Even though the bedroom is small, it feels welcoming and spacious thanks to the minimalist interiors, the white painted walls, and the big glass windows that fill the space awash with natural light, creating that feel of openness and spaciousness. The cabins are fitted with single-walled kitchen, which create a compact primary space with small kitchen appliances and utensils, making it possible to make simple meals. A fully fitted, stylish bathroom with a toilet, a wash hand basin with adequate storage, and a glass shower cubicle occupies one end of the shipping containers. The 2-bedroom apartments has a big open-plan living space in the middle, with brand new solid hardwood floors, floor-to-ceiling windows, and amazing indoor decor. The homes have been remodeled to embrace both comfort and elegance. The walls are painted white to make the spaces appear brighter and bigger, helping to eliminate that illusion of a confined space inside a shipping container box. The amazing outdoor decks provide extra outdoor space to complement the limited indoor living to create a seamless indoor-outdoor connection to enjoy outdoor living as you soak in the winter sunshine. The house is fitted with a proper roof above every container, stretching onto the front to provide a covered outdoor deck. The exterior cladding boosts the aesthetic appeal of each apartment. These amazing container lodges are listed as guest house, starting at $80 per night. Feel free to check them out using the link in the description below. If you like this video, as usual, give it a thumbs up and feel free to share it. You are encouraged to subscribe to these and more amazing weekly videos on shipping container living. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.